Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is The Fixer. If this is your first time watching my video, I'm nice, I'm cool, I'm fun, I'm real. So if you like all those things, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your bell notifications if you want to see more videos from me. I want to share with you guys my new camera bag, and this camera bag is just the most exquisite thing I've ever seen. But I'm always itching my nose. And this camera bag is literally to die for. So, and it's even prettier in person. I had to peek at it. I was trying to think if I should make a video on this bag or not, but when I saw it in person, I was like, sis, she snapped. So she gotta get a video. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram or any of my social media, I've been inspiring to be a photographer. So I'm getting really serious about bringing my camera with me everywhere that I go, just to capture images, or if I'm with my friends or my boyfriend, capture pictures of them and post it on my Instagram. So, and I also want people to start taking pictures of me. Sometimes I want to show y'all my outfit of the days and stuff like that. So I decided that I didn't want to be carrying around this Canon bag that usually comes with your camera if you get a set. If you guys don't know, I have the Canon Rebel T6 camera bag. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I just don't like the material, and I just feel like it's gonna be weird, like just carrying this. Well, yeah, I just don't want to, it's just too simple, and I don't like the material. That's basically just it. So I was like, why not buy a camera bag? So I wanted to share with you guys the camera bag that I got from Amazon, and I'm really excited because I really want y'all to see this. This is really cute. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. So this is the box that it came in. It's huge. And when you open it up, it's in a plastic bag, and I didn't think it was gonna come this fancy. So when I saw it, I was like, girl, please, I really hope that they didn't try to scam me and this is what the bag actually looks like. But they're fancy, okay? They put the camera bag in a dust bag. So I bought this camera bag from Purple Relic, and they are on Amazon, and they also have their website down below. It just says purplerelic.com if you want to go on their official website. So it comes in this dust bag, and then when you open it, guys, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. Like, you're gonna die. Oh, girl, look at this. This is sexy. Do a little 360 for y'all. And I just love it. Isn't it cute? So it's in this snake print detailing. It's in the color blush, and when you open it, it is Burberry inspired. You know, the infamous Burberry pattern on there. And as you can see, there are some flaps that have some Velcro. And then it has 3 compartments, camera and also your lens in there. And then inside is just the straps to attach to your bag. And I'm happy that it has this compartment here, because as you can see, there's only space for your camera and your lens. So if you really want to go out, like just walking on a day with this, you can actually put your phone and your wallet and your keys and stuff like that in this compartment. It also has a zipper here. I didn't know it was gonna have this much compartments, so I'm really excited. So it has this compartment here, and then it also has compartments on each side. And let me just attach this. So when I went on Amazon, I just typed in camera bags for women. So this is the only thing that I saw that was cute. So this is called the Purple Relic Special Offer Women's DSLR Camera Bag for Canon, Nikon, Sony, and it's also a multi-purpose crossbody handbag. So that description was literally everything I was looking for. A woman's camera bag, a Canon, and the fact that it could fit a Canon, and also that it's multi-purpose. So yeah, it has pictures so you can see what you can store in there. So, and it also shows you the inside, so you can just basically tell that your camera will fit into this bag. It was $78.88, but it was expensive, but it was the only cute camera bag that I saw on Amazon, so I was like, why not? And also the fact that it is multi-purpose is also a good thing. So it's just not for your camera and it can't fit anything else. You could put whatever you want in it, and it also is really cute. So, you know, like seeing it in person, I could definitely say it's worth the $78.88, and you also get free shipping. So I was gonna show you guys like how everything fit in the bag, but then I just realized I'm filming with my camera. Bing! Okay. Alright, as I was saying that, like my brain lit up because if you guys haven't watched my previous video, I am selling my old camera. It is the Canon Rebel T3. If you guys want to inquire about that camera, you guys can comment down below or DM me on one of my social media pages, and we could talk more about the pricing and the camera and stuff like that. So I'm going to put that camera in this bag to just show you guys as an example of how your stuff would fit. As you can see, your cameras fit snug inside of the bag. My charger is just on top of the other lens, just to show you guys that you can bring your battery charger with you as well. But this is what it looks like. As you can see, I have both lenses in there. It is well protected, so if it drops for any reason, most likely it won't get damaged. I also forgot to mention there is a compartment in here as well in the back of the bag. I literally purchased my order on Wednesday the 6th, and I got it the next day. And she also messaged me outside of Amazon. Well, it was still on Amazon, but she sent me a thank you email for shopping with her, so that was really sweet. I like how professional the whole process was, the fact that it came the next day. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope that you really like this video, and I hope this inspires you to get yourself a camera bag. I know a lot of us on YouTube you know, have cameras, want to take it around, and don't want that hassle of carrying your camera in your regular bag and it just weighing down everything.